So yeah. Now, when we went back to Social Nguve, we pushed, and we felt a need because we felt like that yard, you see that house we were staying in, it was not big enough. That house we were staying in, it was not big enough for the cars to park in well. So we've decided to get a second house, second house, which we're planning that we are moving from Kasi to mini suburbs, like the burbs. So we got our second house around October, November. Yeah, October, November, somewhere there in 2017. Was it 2017? Was it 2017? Yes, yeah, it was 2017. Second house, 2017, yes. Now, December 2017, that's when we made history. When we say history, we are talking about our Kasi, where we come from. That's when people started talking about us for real now. That was in 2017 December. So me and my boys, what we did in 2017 December is that we traded heavily without buying anything. And then we managed to buy 3 cars. Now keep in mind, whether we were buying it cash or whether it was financed, it doesn't matter. Fact remains, we would afford. So it doesn't really matter what you conclude or what you think. So we bought 3 cars. That was a Mercedes-Benz C180. That was Audi A6. That was Audi A4. A6, A4, C180. Right? Like, that's when our hood, our Kasi, they stood up. They were like, what are these boys doing? Now, we went home for December, right? We went home for December and stories started circulating in the hood. They started saying that we are having a snake. The snake, it's giving us money and so forth. There's no way we can just buy cars just like that. Something is not right. Then another story came on the streets that there's a Nigerian who owns us. Basically, he's using us as a front. Such things. In the hood, when you start doing things which they don't understand, they start talking. It's witches. It's what they do for a living. It's witches. Now, one thing that I love about my hood is that even today, right now, my hood still thinks that I have a snake. Like, I have a snake which gives me money. And when I go home, they always ask me, Coach, why you don't like opening the back of your car, for example? And I would tell them that there is a snake inside. Just like it's simple. I tell them directly, I have a snake. There's a snake inside. Then they're like, okay. So you can see that they're confused whether I'm telling the truth or not. But them looking at how I do my things, it's like there's a snake indeed. So I always confirm their suspicions, When they say, Coach, why? I'm like, hey, dude, my snake. I have a snake. So that's how I get to survive from witchcraft. Because if I have a snake, then it means that I'm the greatest witch. Who's gonna come after me? I have a snake. Are you going? You are a small witch. I have a snake. You are a small witch. Are you going to come and bewitch somebody who has a snake? So I live by that. So that's how I've developed to give people what they want. If you say I'm renting a car, I'm renting a car. If you say I'm renting a house, I'm renting a house. If you say I'm trading a demo account, I'm going to confirm everything that you think. I will confirm that it's true. So that's how I got to develop. And I've learned that the more I confirm what these people say, is the more I have peace of mind. When they say you have a snake and I say no, I don't have a snake, they start arguing. But when they say you have a snake and I say I have a steak, arguments end. And then when they say you are renting a house and I say no, I'm not renting, they say you are lying, you are broke, we know. And then when they say you are renting a house and I say yes, I'm renting a house, the arguments end. When they say you are renting a car and I say no, I'm not renting a car, they say no, you are lying. But when they say you are renting a car and yes, and I say yes, I'm renting a car, arguments end. So I always give people what they want so that the argument can end. Because poor people have a problem. They don't mind arguing with you about their life, about your life, because they don't have a life. I mean, what else will they talk about? So you are the only thing that they can talk about. So I always give them what they want. So I'm here right now. If you think I'm a scam, I'm a scam. If you think I'm real, I'm real. Kore, basically, whatever that that's gonna make you sleep tonight, it's true. Simple. If you think I love women, I love women. If you think I don't love women, I don't love. Kore, whatever. Because I'm tired of having to explain myself over and over. Kore, whatever that you think, it's fine. It's true, actually. It's not fine. It's true. Believe it. Mara, the truth is that it is what it is. The truth is that I'm living my life the way I'm living my life. There's nothing you can ever say or do because you didn't put me where I am. God put me where I am. There's nothing. You are a small boy. There's nothing you can. You are a small witch. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing. So whatever you decide, it's true. Finish and clear. So that's just my whole of 2017 as a whole. You know, that's just my whole of 2017 as a whole. That's how I was pushing hustle throughout the rest of 2017. So looking at time, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So this was part 3. We'll have part 4 sometime. That is when I will be going into what was happening in my life in 2018. Keep in mind, I will still talk about the reality show. You see, the reality show which was on television, that one needs a special episode. They love saying that they're taking out files. I will be the one taking out files there. Just relax, be patient. I will align everything. I will align everything. Now, I want you guys to connect with me. Connect with me for the person that I truly am, you know. If you say coach inspires me, you know to what extent am I inspiring you, you know. You must not say coach inspires me, yet still you don't really know who you are following. You know, I always present myself as real as I am, you know. It's either you accept me as I am or you fuck off. Doesn't matter. You see that if you don't accept me as I am, the next person will accept me.